Xotin qizsiz yashab bo'ladimi ekan? Bella xotin qiz bo'lib kiyinib ishlab qo'yamizmi?
Ha, yigitlar o'ylab qo'ray qarag'izmi? Xotin qiz ishlay oladi, biz ishlay olmay turgan bir nima ish bor sonanday?
Anday ish yo'q, barsini ishlay olamiz.
Neujeli yigitlar qizlarsiz, xotin qizlarsiz yashab bo'lmaydi, ha?
Bo'la, nishab bo'lmasin.
Mana 30 ga qadar xotinsiz yashadim endi. Bundan so'ng yashab qolamiz birinchi.
Bilmayman, men 30 ga yetmadim. İşler nazarlısı var hali, yig'i hazırlanması var.
Xotin qiz ishlarim bo'lishib qolib qoldi.
Hayda, ne bo'lib beramen sizga, hayda.
Давай.
Buni sen bibliotekar bo'larsan.
Qarasaming bo'lar.
Ha, berar o'zim qilmoqchi bor.
Xotin qiz ishlarini
Ey, jetlar pustek.
pick the time, I'll grab the check, you grab the ride. Before you know it, we'll be counting stars. You take the lead, my darling. Come on and leave those problems. This night could just keep going on. I'll never leave you, I won't betray you. I'll walk beside you in the rain. I've always loved you, I always will do, even if you wander far away. So you can run, run if you wanna leave, but I will wait for you. When you wanna run back home to me, I'll be there for you. Where will you run to? What will you find there?
I think I'm gonna be sick. I'll make the headlines again. Cause I took mom's prescription with dad's permission, but the pain just don't wanna quit. I think I'm out of time.